welcome again. Today we are going to be treating GST 101B, Use of English. And our topic for today is what? Thinking about essay topics. Thinking about essay topics. My outline, I'm going to be introducing what an essay is. Then secondly, we're going to be looking at what? Choosing the right essay topic. Thirdly, we're going to be treating what? Focusing on the right essay topic. Thank you. So now, as a student, your task in university or a task wherever you are, most of the tasks you'll be called upon to do is what? Writing an essay. Now, and you can't write the essay without having what? Fundamental knowledge about what an essay is. Essay varies in their topics depending on what you are being called upon to do. Now, below are some of the criteria you need before you will be able to write what? An essay. First of all, you need to have an original and logical thinking. And remember, an essay is being what? Thought about. It's not like objective, whereby the examiner has already programmed the questions and computed the answers. You just need to guess. But an essay, you think. So you need original and logical thinking. Secondly, you must apply the knowledge of language. We are using the English language, for example, because the language of instruction in Nigeria is the English language. So you are using the English language, for example. So you must apply the knowledge of English language which you know. Thirdly, you must have the ability to construct a variety of sentences. This is very, very necessary because an essay is not just made up of a sentence. It is made up of what? Series of sentences which are subdivided into what? Paragraphs before it becomes a full-blown essay. So you must have the ability to construct a variety of sentences. After having the ability to construct a variety of sentences, then you come to here. You must have the what? Ability to relate an idea to another. Remember, each sentence expresses a particular idea, and this idea must be what? A kind of related. You must not write an essay topic. Let's assume your essay topic is on medicine or the medical sciences, and you are using ideas going to the agricultural field, the economic field. You have what? Totally diverted from the idea. So those sentences must be what? Related. They must be related. The fifth criteria is what? Ability to organize and develop ideas in an acceptable manner. These ideas must be well organized, efficiently developed. And finally, you must have the ability to use language appropriately. You must have the ability to use language appropriately because this is the bedrock of everything. You may have the idea, you must have the communicative competence, but the linguistic competence, which is the language, you don't have it. So you must have the knowledge or the ability to use language appropriately. Now, let's come to the second outline, which is what? Choosing the right essay topic. This is where most people find it difficult, and this is where most people get it wrong. For example, when you are asked to choose an essay topic, the first thing you must bear in mind is what? How familiar are you with the essay topic you have been given? And now, ability to choose the right essay topic is a skill. And the more familiar you are with an essay topic, that is the more how effective, and that's how you are going to be able to write. And your essay will be what? Error-free, or it will be free of what? Little errors. But when you don't have ideas of what to write or the topic you chose, that is when you have a lot of what? Grammatical blunders. You make a lot of what? Mistakes. And at the end of the day, you end up what? Failing. The success of a student or the failure of a student in an essay examination is what? Depends on what? His knowledge and the ability to write such an essay. So now, when choosing an essay, these are some of the things to consider. First of all, you ask yourself, do I know anything about the essay topic? Do I know anything about the essay topic? Let's take for example, these are essay topics in an examination, and the instruction says answer 1. Answer 1. The first essay you're going to write is what? On a journey to the moon. Secondly, traditional marriages. Thirdly, you're going to write a what? Holiday in London. Now, if you are, as a student out there, if you are being asked to choose such an essay topic, and you think you write extensively on anyone you know, if I were to be the one, the first thing I'm going to choose, I'm going to look at is what is familiar to me, because familiarity matters most. I will choose the second question, which is what? Traditional marriages. Why do I say so? The reason is that I have never been to the moon, neither have I imagined being to the moon in my lifetime. So I don't know how a journey to the moon will look like. That means I can't write well. Now, let's take for the third essay for an example, holiday in London. I have never moved outside the borders of Nigeria, not talk about going to London. So I don't know how a holiday in London may feel like. I don't know if London really exists or it is fiction. But I've witnessed traditional marriages of my sister, traditional marriages of my friends. So it will be easier for me to write well on traditional marriages. So now the ability to choose right is what? A skill in essay writing.